Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of Art of Wear, a platform designed for artists and entrepreneurs seeking to sell custom printed products online without managing inventory or production. From creating custom designs to listing products on your store, Art of Wear offers tools tailored to the needs of creatives. Start by signing up and exploring the interface, which is clean and user-friendly, allowing you to upload designs for various products like apparel, home decor, and stationery. Their product catalog is extensive, focusing on high-quality items like leggings, canvas prints, and scarves. The design tool is intuitive and allows for live previews of your creations, ensuring your artwork looks perfect on each product. Integration options with platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it seamless to sync your products and manage sales across multiple channels. Shipping and fulfillment services are streamlined, though processing times may vary depending on product type and destination, so planning is essential. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. Despite its advantages, Art of Wear does have some drawbacks. Pricing can be higher compared to other platforms, which may cut into margins if you're targeting competitive markets. Customer service is helpful, but sometimes slow to respond during high-demand periods. Overall, it's a fantastic platform for artists looking to maintain control over their branding and product quality. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more insights into platforms that empower your creative business.